Welcome to our deep dive into Zscaler private access architecture and traffic flow. Before we trace the flow, let's understand the 4 key nodes in the ZPA ecosystem. First, the Zscaler Client Connector, or ZCC, is software on the PC responsible for sending application traffic to the Zscaler cloud. The broker is the second node. It receives traffic from ZCC and verifies if the user is allowed to access the specific application. Next is the App Connector, a customer-deployed Linux server that acts as the gateway to the internal applications. The dispatcher is the node that selects the correct app connector. It then informs that app connector to initiate a tunnel back to the specific broker the user is connected to. Now, let's trace the traffic flow. It starts with the user turning on private access within the Zscaler Client Connector. The machine then downloads the defined application FQDNs from the ZPA portal. When a user accesses an application, ZCC intercepts the DNS request before it leaves the machine. ZCC then assigns a synthetic or dummy IP address to that FQDN to manage the local connection. The client then sends the web request, which is directed to this synthetic IP and sent toward the broker. The broker evaluates the access policy. If allowed, it contacts the dispatcher to find the path forward. The app connector then initiates an SSL tunnel back to the broker, creating a complete end-to-end path. User traffic now flows securely through these tunnels, relayed by the app connector to the end server. The server responds back through the same path, completing the secure transaction. Each FQDN request is assigned a different synthetic IP and a unique tag ID number, which can be used to trace the connection in the console logs. Zscaler private access is a zero-trust architecture because the source machine never knows the app connector or server IP, and the server never knows the source IP. Thanks for watching.